and welcome. My name is Maria de Souza. I am Portuguese, but I live in the south of England in the UK for many years now. Now I am an avid knitter and crocheter, and I love sewing and I love embroidery. I'm passionate about these activities, and this is not only a hobby but a small business as well. Now, something that you might not know is that I am also a yoga and a Feldenkrais teacher. Now, being an avid knitter and crocheter and all the handmade crafts that I do, I know too well all about the aches and pains and discomfort we get in the upper body, the repetitive strain injuries we get from doing these activities, whether we do it as a hobby or as a profession. Now, being a yoga teacher and a Feldenkrais teacher, I have got the tools to help myself. So I don't suffer a great deal of discomfort in the body because I do exercises pretty much on a daily basis that help me to carry on with my passion without having pain as a constant companion, right? So, and I want to help you too. So if you too are suffering with discomfort in the body, repetitive strain injury, in the shoulders, the neck, maybe the hands, the wrists, the fingers, then come along to my lives. Where I'll be sharing the exercises I do myself to get on with my activities without discomfort. So these live exercises will not be here in this channel, it will be on my other channel, on my Yoga and Feldenkrais channel. And I'll leave the link below for you to access the channel and to join, subscribe to the channel and come to the live. So I'll be live twice a week on Mondays at 10 a.m. 10 in the morning, and on Wednesdays at 2 p.m. to afternoon. Now these are UK times because I live in the UK. So that's all I wanted to share with you today. Share this video with all your knitter friends and crochet, or anyone that do handmade crafts. It can be anything, pottery, baskets, anything. We all suffer with the same kind of strain doing all these handmade crafts. Okay, so I'm here to help you to relieve all that tension from the body. So I'll leave the link below, and if you have any questions, please do let me know. All right, so I hope to see you there on my other channel. Bye bye now.